After this remedy you will never feel joint and bone pain again. Many scientists and medical researchers have found that the main reason for the appearance of back, legs and joint pain is the improper posture. So, if you are experiencing constant pain in the back or you suffer from constant pain in your joints, legs and neck, then the first change you need to do is to improve your body posture. You must improve it immediately or the side effects may become even worse. In this post we are going to show you the best and very effective homemade remedy, which will help you restore the health of your bones, joints and tendons. 7-day treatment for healthy joints and bones. Directions: in order to make this homemade remedy, you will need 150 grams of edible gelatin, organic. At night time, you need to mix 2 tablespoons of gelatin with 50 milliliters of cold water. Leave the mixture to sit overnight at room temperature. In the morning, you will notice that the gelatin has turned into jelly. Add something by your choice: juice, milk, yogurt, fruit share, tea, and drink it. You need to do this method for 1 week. This homemade remedy will help you soothe the pain in the back, wrists, legs and neck. After just 1 week you will feel wonderful and your condition will be improved significantly. The back and joint pain will be completely gone, and in just 1 month you will be pain-free. It's highly recommended for you to repeat this method after 1 month and then again after 6 months. You will restore the natural joint lubrication and you will feel much better than ever. Your back and joint pain will be completely gone. Why gelatin is so good for your joints? This type of gelatin, organic, is a natural product. It's mostly obtained from processing bones, tissue and cartilage of big animals. We can also mention that this type of gelatin contains 2 extremely powerful amino acids, proline and hydroxyproline. These 2 amino acids stimulate the growth and improve the structure of the connective tissue, which is necessary in the treatment of joints and weaker bones. This homemade gelatin remedy can provide many health benefits for you, such as improves complexion, strengthens joints and your heart, improves skin and hair structure, accelerates metabolism, prevents development of osteoporosis and osteoarthritis, provides elasticity, strengthens tendons and ligaments, improves the mental abilities, has powerful effects in the treatment of dysplasia. If you are experiencing any type of joint or back pain, we highly recommend this homemade gelatin remedy. It will help you get rid of the awful pain and you will restore the health of your joints and bones. You will feel amazing just after 1 month. Thanks for watching, and please share this article with your friends and family. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.